Alma of the Airwaves, Lucky of the Orange Couch. It is Sunday. It is March 14th. And last night we had to change the clocks, so we had to spring forward 1 hour. And this didn't happen in Europe. So lots of confusion because they're changing their day savings time on the 28th of March. So for 2 weeks, we're gonna have different time difference. So we're only 6 hours behind and not 7. Good to know. In the video, what happened is Lucky needed dry food. I went to our trusted Walmart and they did have a very good deal. They had a sale, 50% off a pack, which was 18 kilograms. Could I lift 18 kilos? No, not in the store, not to transport it from the cart into my trunk. There was actually help. Walmart now can help you lift objects. So a very kind young gentleman put it in my trunk. So, and when I came home, I realized that there is no way I can lift that. So I had to scoop it, 18 kilos, and bring it into the house. So this is what you're gonna see. The video is actually from yesterday, the afternoon. I wanted to prove to you that on my son's birthday, there was again not one cloud in the sky. So we went with Lucky and we took the video in the park. So with no clouds. What happened today? Snow. Okay, this climate is unpredictable. One thing you can be sure about Toronto is that not one day is like the one before. Always different. So today snowed. It snowed a little bit. And of course, along with his cake yesterday, I had to buy my favorite coffee from Starbucks, and it's called Blonde, Espresso Blonde. That's all. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday. A new week is here, and life is beautiful. Okay, what do you see? 18 kilograms of dried dog food. There is no way I can lift this from my trunk. I'm gonna transport it in bits. That's my beauty. Espresso Blonde.